Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can improve your PC performance. This improvement will be your business related and gaming related also. If you are facing any lag issues into your games, and if you are doing PPTs, and if your PC is working slow, or if it is heating up, you can use these settings for the same. Uh, in this video we will deal about some problems, but first I will show you most of the things that are important, that is related to your specifications, your Windows specifications. So without any further delay, let us start the video. Now click on your search bar and search for this PC. Right click on this PC and click on properties. After in your cases it may be another name like this PC, or your name itself. So right click on this PC and click on properties. After that it will show up your PC settings, which you can see. I have 4 GB of RAM installed, in which it is showing that 3.89 GB is usable. So the thing it is showing that 3.89 is usable is not the actual RAM that is usable. It is showing that out of 4 GB 3.89 is usable, and from 3 it has used 1 point something RAM for the software or OS. Now to check your actual RAM, actual memory, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on any devices, or you can simply search for a task manager on your search bar. As you open taskbar, click on more details if it is showing like this. So click on performance on the table, and as you can see, my memory is 74% is available out of 100%. That means 2.9 GB is available out of 3.9. That means I have used my 10% of GB, and other could be used for my Windows OS. So without any further delay or other specifications, let us start. Now let us go on to our settings, PC settings, and check for updates. If your PC has any updates remaining, you have to complete it at the moment, because of updates your PC may also be so laggy. After updates your PC can work very slow, because the adaptation, your PC will adapt it within 2 or 3 hours, and it will start working fast, as you notice. As you can see, my update is already in progress. It is installing, and the update is about 44% completed. Open your Windows Security and open Windows Security settings, and check for all the tabs has green color tick, because all the green color ticks means your PC should work very smoothly and properly. If you are thinking about last two options, these are health report and family options. For that, sharing your folders over LAN networks or WAN networks. These are not that much useful or that much important. All the things are important are the first 5 tabs. So make sure that you have all the green ticks. Now go to app and browser control, for it is so important, so that someone may not hack your PC or use your PC for Bitcoin mining. It is the most useful, and always check and always put it on default. Click on system exploitation protection, and click on system settings. This all should be on or use default. Go to program settings, and now the important thing is program settings. So if any other program that you can recognize that you have downloaded from third-party websites or from illegal websites, you should remove it from here. As you can see, all the things are already installed from Windows file, so it is not that much useful for me. So I will not do anything here because it may harm my PC also. Now the next step is about our control panel. So go to your search bar and search for control panel. After clicking on control panel, go to top right corner and click on category. After clicking on category, click on programs and features. After that, you may see much programs that are downloaded from third-party websites and from your PC also. If you recognize any other program that are downloaded from third-party websites, you should install it at the moment, because they may cause your PC to slow down and cause to take your RAM. Now our next step will be unlocking our cores and unlocking our full memory. To unlock our full cores, we have to open Windows Run dialog box. For that, you can press Windows plus R or simply type Run on your task search bar and type there msconfig. So after that, click enter. The small dialog box will open. Now follow the step that I am doing. First, as you can see, the small dialog box, we don't have to do anything in the general. We have to, this may slow down your PC, or this may cause anything that is much worse than slowing down your PC. So we have to go to boot options or boot menu, click on advanced options. Now click on the number of processors and click on 4. If you have 2 processors, it will show 2, and if you have 6, it will show 6. Now after that, go to minimum memory, maximum memory, and it will directly show your default memory that is installed in your PC. Now it will ask for restart. If I restart, it will my recording will shut down, so I will click restart later. Now the third step will be about your control panel. So for the third step, you have to go to your search bar and click for and search for control panel. In that, we will make your PC. We will set our PC for high performance. For that, go to your right bottom, click for large options, click for battery settings or power options, and go for high performance. I will recommend it only for PC users, for personal computer users, or for desktop users, not for laptop users. Because for using it for laptop, it might hit your laptop so diligently or so high that you might not you may not be able to touch it also. So for that, I will use for laptop users, I will recommend balanced or the recommended by your PC itself. So if you have a gaming laptop or a laptop that are made by Asus or MSI or Acer, you can use high performance only for gaming laptops, not for laptops that are used for business or for making PPTs and all. For that, now let's head on to our last step. So now for last step, let us go to our search manager and type for task manager. Search bar and type for task manager. And we will disable all the applications that are not in our use. For the applications that start on booting our PC, I will first tell you which application you should not disable. The two modules which are on number 2nd and 3rd, and the persistence module and UT web. You should not install that 4 things that are installed from Windows by itself. Other than you can disable all the applications that are not in your use. Windows security notification is also very important, that you should not disable it, for it can cause the disability of your Windows virus and threat protections, and it could not recognize the viruses in your PC. So you can disable the other applications like Spotify, WhatsApp, Skype, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Edge, Iron Webcam, other applications that are not in your use, or that the applications that you can start manually. The applications that you cannot start manually are for startups. So in this video, this much only. So Let us meet in our next video, in our next title, and please share me for my performance and for my improvement in the videos. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe, and share the video with your friends who are in need.